Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying out the new Revolution palettes. So I think they're reasonably new, but I picked them up the other day and I'm so excited for them. Picked up the Revolution Ultra Violet palette and oh my goodness you guys, it's so pretty. So I have created an Instagram look, so if you want to see that I will post it down below. Here's my Instagram as well, so make sure you go and follow that so you can see exactly what look I've created. So I have tested these before, but this is solely for YouTube. So the next palette is called the Sugar Ray palette, and oh my god, seriously you guys, these palettes are just so pretty. They're just so pretty. So that's the Ultraviolet, and this is the Sugar Ray palette. So I think we are going to start off with the Sugar Ray palette because I'm just having a pink moment today. So I want to try this palette out. So this palette has got 15 shades in it, and as you can see it's got this beautiful glitter like shimmer shade here, and it's called Precious. So it is absolutely stunning. So I want to test this out and see what look that we can create. I'll put the price of it on the screen for you so you can see. I'll link this product down below as well so you can have a look. But I am just going to go right in and start creating a look. So I have done some base makeup. I've put some concealer on my eyes. We're all ready. So I'm going to go in with the colour. First of all, I'm going to go in with this colour called Intrinsic. So I'm going to go in with this colour here. And I am going to pop that just in the crease. Okay, so it has a bit of pink to it. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to go into that pink now. And because I really want a nice pink look. Okay. So I'm now going to go into the colour called... this colour called Flossy, and I'm gonna start putting that in the crease as well. So we are gonna be pink, and I'm gonna sort of stamp it on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna start blending it in. Ooh, I love it. I love this so much. Very nice. So I want to add some of this purple in. I think this purple is really nice. It's called Affirm, this purple here. So I'm going to put some of this in the, just sort of stamp it on the outer corners. This palette is gorgeous. Really, really nice. Okay, so we are now going to go into that gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer shade. So this is called Precious. So I'm going to go straight in with that. I'm going to use on my finger because I feel like whenever I do a look with my finger, like using my finger with shimmer shades, it just comes out so much better. Oh, you guys, this is... It actually feels quite sort of bitty and chalky in the pan, but then it's so buttery and creamy, like, oh my goodness. Oh, love it. Absolutely love that. Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the colour called Aspire, which is this gold, and I'm just going to pop that in the sort of inner corner bit, just to add something different. Oh yeah, I like it. I really love that. So you guys, these colours are just so pretty. They're so pink, they're so vibrant as well. You've got some really nice nude colours in this area, as you can see, and then over here this way you've got some really bold colours, so it depends on what look you're going for. This palette is just, it's gorgeous. I mean, I'm going to do some swatches for you just so you can see as well how beautiful this palette really is. So, you can see here, I don't know if you can see very well, but if you can see this, the swatches are just gorgeous. That pink called Flossy is so nice. And then you've got the other, what colour is that? That's the shimmer. So the shimmer is called Precious. So the shimmer is called Precious, Flossy, and then the yellow one, sorry, the gold one is called Aspire. So these are so pretty. There's also some really other lovely colours in there. You've got Wish, you've got Admire, got Treasure, and I'm also going to swatch this really nice purple as well. So that purple there, it doesn't seem pigmented when you first pick it up, but when you swatch it, it really swatches nicely. So overall, I'm really happy with these colours. I think they're so pretty. So obviously we're going to finish the look off because I just look crazy. So I'm going to apply some mascara. The mascara that I've been loving lately is the Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara by Revolution. It's so good, so nice and affordable, and it gives you lovely lashes. I do love it. I've really been into, I mean, I'm not very much of a false lash person. I don't really know how to put them on, and that's the truth. I really don't struggle with them a lot. They never sort of fit my eyes, and I just don't really get on with them. So I have really fallen in love with my own lashes and mascara. I just love that look, so that's me. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this review. I 100% think you need this palette in your collection. It's so pretty, it's very glamorous, it really does swatch lovely, the colours are just gorgeous. This is a little bit of a overview of the palette, and here is more of a closer look if you wanted to have a proper look. I have kind of put a little bit of gold in that purple, but it's okay. So these are the colours. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think of this look, and make sure you follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!